Welcome back. This is Iris from Pulse RV in Edmonton, and I'm doing a walkthrough of our 2025 Sierra 40 duplex destination trailer. This is just an amazing floor plan with 2 bedrooms suitable for adults living together. They each have a loft and there's a bath and a half. So everyone has a washroom, somewhere to store their belongings, or of course, if you have quite a large family, lots of kids can sleep up in the lofts as well. So let's start on the outside. The Sierra comes with a detachable hitch and stairs, which makes it look a lot nicer if you build a patio and you have it on a lot. As you can see, we have a awning, and this is always handy when manufacturers point out a few outstanding features that you might be interested in. There's a propane quick connect on the back here. And then we have our 60,000 BTU tankless on-demand water heater. So there are 2 entryways. There are the sliding doors, and this back door conveniently leads into the half bath attached to the bedroom that's on this side. And you can see that I've parked this very tightly against this 5th wheel, but we do have 3 slides on this side and 1 on the other. Over on this side, we have the outside shower, the different connections, black tank flush. Just give you a bit of a view from this side, and then we'll take a nice walkthrough of the interior. Coming into the main area of the 2025 40 duplex Sierra destination trailer, I'll give you a nice overview. So you have a loft up there, you have a bedroom back here, you have a half bath on this side with washer dryer in that corner, and then coming back to the main area, your theater seating is looking directly at the TV, fireplace, kitchen island, ginormous fridge, and then you have another loft over the second bedroom, the full bath we just passed, and then this is the other queen size bedroom here. So now I'll go into a little bit more detail. Lots of light, so you don't feel claustrophobic in here. All 3 windows open, and then you have this huge window that lets in light. These have blackout shades so that you can have wonderful sleep in the dark. There is storage under here, and of course what's stored on this bed is just the patio screen and a handle, another screen there. That's how the manufacturers bring them. So you have hanging storage here and 7 drawers down below. So there are 4 of those, and yet another window, and this one opens as well. There you have your patio doors. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, but while we're on this wall here, so as you see, dual 15,000 BTU air conditioners. That's the control for your max air fan, since you're not 7 feet tall to reach that. And then you have your water heater, lights, thermostat, and up here we have the heated holding tank buttons. You can check your tank levels and control your awnings and slides. Heated holding tanks are good to have, especially around Edmonton. All right, nice deep medicine cabinet. Large shower It's a nice shower head, porcelain toilet, and storage for your toilet paper or what have you, and your towel rack. I like the way that the design of these stairs, and they're quite shallow. And then you have no carpet in here, so the slide out. So the bench has storage underneath, a wireless charger, and 2 chairs. And then you have 2 recliners here. I put one out to demonstrate. Look at the size of those windows. And then this extra counter space. So you can put that away if people are running around in here, kids running around, and you're not prepping anything. Of course, the kitchen island doesn't just give you more counter space. It also gives you a lot more storage. A couple drawers there, and then you have room for garbage and maybe also a recycling container there. So I do love the appliances in the Sierra. This is really somewhere that you'd want to spend a lot of time in or live full time. You have a residential style oven with 3 burners and residential size Furrion microwave. And then I wish I had this fridge at home. So things stored here from the manufacturer. And then you have 2 freezer drawers underneath. So there is a loft, as I mentioned, above each bedroom. So they both have 2 mattresses in them, but you could even pile more kids, more than 4 kids into these lofts. So there's a lot of storage everywhere, window that opens, one air conditioner back there, the other air conditioners on the other side. Okay, let's check out. So this is the other main bedroom here, once again with shelves on the side, with plug-ins, also the 3 windows that all open, and your storage underneath with some more bedding under there. And notice it's all plywood, no OSB. Same within the subfloor, that's also 5/8 inch plywood. I like the way that's done, that's a nice touch on the ceiling there. So you have hanging space, large drawers. We have 9 drawers and 2 hanging closets in this bedroom. And then, as I said, everyone has their own bathroom. Each bedroom has their own bathroom. And there you are with a toilet at a little angle to give you more leg space. This is generous size medicine cabinet. Plenty of counter space. Lots of storage under there. You have your own escape door in case you want to go out this way instead of the main door. And of course, this is your washer dryer prep. And that's room enough for a stackable. So I'd like to give one last overview and also a quick peek in the other loft. So this one's a little different than the other one. It also has plenty of storage though. There's your window that opens, air conditioning, oh, lights. Let's take a look from up here. Gives you a nice overview. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. And this is RV Iris from Pulse RV in Edmonton. I'm always available to give you a show through in person. You can call me for pricing. And of course, if you just have any questions, I look forward to talking with you soon. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Wait a minute. What's this that I see here? Oh, let's take a peek. Oh, nice. Look at all this storage. Comes with its own motion sensor light. Sweet. Put your secret stuff in here.